Hey kids, it's been quite a while since I've last done this, but let's just get on with it. Saint Joan of Arc, who is also known as the Maid of Orleans, was born into a peasant family in northeastern France around the year 1412. In 1428, she went to Vaucluse to request an audience with Charles VII of France because she had seen visions of Archangel Michael, Saint Margaret, and Saint Catherine instructing her to fight against the English to end their domination of France. Her request was denied twice, but the government eventually gave in and gave her an escort to meet Charles VII. After meeting, Joan was sent to the siege of Orleans in a relief army. She arrived on April 29th, 1429, which as of Friday will be 594 years ago. It was on this battlefield that she earned her title as the Maid of Orleans. 9 days after her arrival, the English forces were defeated and the siege was lifted. In June of that same year, she took part in yet another campaign which resulted in a decisive French victory at the Battle of Patay. One day after this victory, Charles VII was coronated King of France with Joan at his side. Her actions gave the French a much-needed morale boost and paved the way for their victory in the 100 Years' War. On the 8th of September, Joan was wounded in a failed attempt to lift a siege on Paris. The next year, in 1430, Joan was captured by Burgundian troops and handed over to the English, who put her on trial and found her guilty of heresy. She was then proceeded to be burned at the stake. In 1456, Pope Calixtus III authorized a review of her trial by an inquisitorial court, which led to her being exonerated. She was canonized in 1920 and became patron saint of France in 1922. Her feast day is May 30th. Even though the English are the ones who killed her, she is venerated as a holy virgin in the Anglican Church. That's all for today, kids, and have a good day.